Marion.
Don't like your bossy.
Mommy. You guys didn't understand my mom, but look at this guy. He's all the way over there, snoring with his ball, standing by the cage. As you can see, that little red dot, the little red dot right there. Yep, right there, right there, right there. And then you can see that black bob. That's just right about this big. He's in his cage with no bed, asleep on the rock hard tray. Okay guys, that was just a little tiny clip, but I will make another video, and that video will be soon. So, goodbye. I will make another video when he wakes up. Let's see how